touch your clients, what do? You open it and sanitize your hands. Sanitize your hands. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back if you're an old subscriber, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I have a couple of things I want to talk to you about very quickly. I promise not to bore you, all right? So you guys know that coronavirus is here in Nigeria already, and a lot of people are panicking. Talking to you from the standpoint of a makeup artist, and I'm going to be talking to you about hygiene practices that can help you stay safe in the presence of coronavirus. So let's get started. As a makeup artist, it is important that you are practicing good hygiene. That way you can stay safe and also keep your clients safe. Now, a lot of makeup artists do not pay attention to this, and some clients don't even know the importance. Before you apply makeup on a client, before you touch your client, it's important that you wash your hand with soap and water. I can't emphasize on that enough. We're in Nigeria, let's be realistic. It's not all clients, it's not everywhere we've gone to do a job that we have access to soap and water. The best thing you can do is to carry a hand sanitizer in your kit, all right? So always carry a hand sanitizer in your kit. I buy this big one and I depot it into this little one here and label it. I label it so that I know what is inside, all right? So get a big one, it saves you more money, and depot into smaller containers like this. It's easier to carry around in your kit. It won't take up space. Before you touch your clients, what do? You open it and sanitize your hands. Like, sanitize and make sure that your back of your hand, because most of us work from the back of our hands, true, yeah. So make sure that you are sanitizing that hand properly before you touch your client. That is the first thing you need to do. So once your hands are safe, you are sure that you're safe, your client is also safe. So whatever you have stays with you, what your client has stays with you. All right. Number 2, do not use the applicators that come with products like this, okay? Your mascaras and your liquid lipsticks, your lip stains or lip glosses, whatever they are called, the applicators that come with them, you see these things, never use them directly on the client. Why? You will end up double dipping if you use this. After using it on the client, then you go back and put it inside. You are contaminating the whole product, and at the same time you're not practicing good hygiene, because you're going to end up using this on a whole lot of people with the same applicator, which is very wrong. Okay, so never use the applicators that come with this thing. How do you apply them? Scoop them out onto the back of your hand, which has been sanitized already. You know, you can put it at the back of your hand or on the tray, mixing tray. You can put it on a mixing tray and then use a lip brush to apply on your clients. Okay, you can always wash your lip brushes when they get dirty, but this thing, how would you assure me that you're going to wash them after using it on a client? Most likely you won't, so don't use it. Use a lip brush. That is why lip brushes are made, okay? And your mascaras, never use the applicator, the mascara wand that comes with. If you need to use mascara on your clients, use a disposable wand. It is safer. That way you will not double dip. Okay, so the mascara wands, disposable mascara wand, come in things like this. They come in things like this, so you can just pick one. And if you need to take more products, please don't put back that one that has touched the client's eyes. Don't put it back inside the mascara, okay? Don't put it back inside the mascara. Take a fresh one, take a clean one and use. Like, okay, I take one, do one eyes. Oh, it's not enough to do the second eyes. Pick another one and do the eyes. That way you're staying safe, your client is safe, your products will last longer. All right, so another thing you don't want to do is to use the applicators that come with concealers like this. Please Squeeze it at the back of your hand. Don't put it directly on the client's face. Don't, if you know you're going to be tempted to use this directly on the client, please, when you buy it, just pull this out. Use plier, pull it out, so that that temptation will not be there. But if you know you will remember, no problem. Just squeeze it at the back of your hand or on top of your tray. That is why you have a mixing tray. So squeeze it onto the back of your hand or on top of the mixing tray and work from there. All right? The reason why this thing comes with a brush is for personal use, not for makeup artists to be sharing it with. Don't share, please. Don't share. Foundations like this that come with this, please mix it at the back of your hand and then use on the client. Don't let the pump touch the client's face, okay? How do you disinfect products like this? I don't know if you can see this. Isopropyl alcohol. It's a must-have for every makeup artist. As a makeup artist, this thing must be in your kit. If you can't carry it in big bottles like this, you can depot them into smaller bottles like this and carry them in your kits. They come in handy when you need to disinfect things. You know, after you have used this to work on your clients and you're back at your station, your studio or your home, you need to clean this up. You need to make sure that it is clean. So what I do basically is just to use my makeup wipe to wipe it down. Okay, so I use my makeup wipe to wipe it down. Afterwards, I go ahead and use my isopropyl alcohol to spray on it. Spray it generously, it won't spoil the product. So I do this. Once I have sprayed it on it, I keep it somewhere to dry. That will save you a lot of money because your products will last you a longer time and you won't be transferring germs from one person to another, and you'll be safe. All right? So I said number one, you need to sanitize your hands or to wash your hands before you do makeup on your clients. No sharing of tools, no sharing of brushes, no sharing of beauty blenders, please. If you're going for a job and you know that you're going to be working on more than one client, please carry more than one beauty blender. Don't be sharing. You can't use one beauty blender on me. Use it on another person, and then another person, and then another person. It's not hygienic. It doesn't look nice. So please, I usually have like up to 5 in my kit. Okay, so in case, you know, Nigeria, they don't like to book ahead. One person will book you. By the time you get there, 5 other people want to do makeup. If you don't go prepared, you not end up using the same thing. You use on A, use on B, use on C, like that, and you're sharing germs, infections, and like that. It is not nice. So you want to make sure that you have extras, including brushes. Carry extras. If you can't afford to carry extras, make sure you always go with this. It dries fast. You don't need to spray so much for it to now get dripping wet, okay? So make sure that you always carry this. Spray it on the brushes, wipe it down on a tissue paper, and you are good to go. You can use your brushes again. But for beauty blender, there's no magic to it. If you don't wash it, it is not clean. You cannot use it on another person. So carry extra. Another thing I want to mention is for pencils. I find as in makeup artists do this a lot. Like, I've seen a lot of makeup artists that do these things and it irritates me, especially pencils that you have to use inside the eyes. Okay, always sharpen your pencil before using it on another person. After you've used it, sharpen it again before you keep it. Don't use the same pencil you've used inside my eyes on another person without sharpening. I know my brook pencil is expensive, yes, we know. Sharpening it is wasting it, auntie, but you don't want to give me eye infection. Somebody that has a sensitive eyes, then after using it on one person that has cataract, you now use it on another person and transfer something to that person. It doesn't speak well of you. It shouldn't be said that it was after somebody visited your studio that they got one disease or got one infection or got one thing, one thing like that. Okay, so practice good hygiene. I can't say that enough. Practice good hygiene. It will take you far in this business. I beg you in the name of God, especially now that coronavirus is everywhere. You need to be safe. Your clients need to be safe. You need to be safe, your clients need to be safe. All right, so I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that from now on you learn to practice good, proper makeup hygiene, you know, when applying makeup on your clients. And I hope that you as the client, that you're going to stay informed and call your makeup artist to order in case they're doing something wrong. We all have a part to play in this thing, either as a makeup artist or as the client. Your makeup artist might not know. Call them to order. All right, if you find that they're double dipping or using things they've used on other clients on you, please call them to order. And you as a makeup artist, try and learn, you know, learn and practice proper hygiene. It's very, 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 very important. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet a part of this family, please consider subscribing, and when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video and share with somebody. You never can tell, you'll be saving a life when you share this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.